Beautiful sunrise though. What a road. Where are we going today?
We are going far away from the city, about 90 plus kilometers from the urban lifestyle into a rural area to cook our English breakfast in the jungles.
Yummy. I thought we were making full English breakfast.
Yeah, so we are getting the grill ready for it.
Yummy.
So we are setting up the coal now. Look at that hot. बहुत hot है. All right, so we are here making English breakfast at the farm. So there goes the butter, salted butter, and the garlic, fresh garlic. So we are going to saute some vegetables here and grill some vegetables here. So basically, an English breakfast consists of fresh vegetables which are sauteed in olive oil or in butter, garlic, and you have sausages, but we don't have sausages. There's no, that tree is not.
There was a sausage tree there.
Ah,
So we got some of it.
you got a sausage? I thought you missed it out. So there's a egg, there's a bread, and there are sauteed vegetables. This is basic composition of an English breakfast with nice grilled sausages and aubergines, which are going to be here. So we are now adding the chopped bell peppers, carrots, English beans into the pan. Now we are adding sausages to it, the grill. This is a garlic, which is a fresh garlic pod which we plucked from the farm, and we chopped into half and we dropped it. So this is going to be very tasty when you're going to eat it like this. We have already taken out the sauteed vegetables. Sausages are done. Now we are getting done with the baby carrots, aubergines, and we are doing sauteed mushrooms in butter garlic. So we are sauteing the mushrooms. We're going to add just crushed peppers and salt to it. We already added the salted butter in it, and then we're going to nicely cook them up and then take them out. Mushrooms is already almost done. It already left the water, so that is a sign of that mushrooms are getting cooked. So they leave out the water. So once the water is dried out, you can take out the mushrooms and they're good to go. The next step is we're going to nicely cook an omelette. So now we are at the last stage of the English breakfast. We are making a beautiful spinach, mushroom, cheese omelette. Very exotic. Okay, so first goes the mushrooms. I'm going to saute them so that they leave out the little water and they become slightly more soft. So I'm going to add a generous amount of okay, that's high. So now I have picked up fresh baby spinach from the farm, so which I'm also going to add to the pan, to the mushrooms. Oh, look at that. Check this out, how beautiful they look. The baby spinach and the mushrooms in butter. Now I'm going to add chives to it. Chives is garlic shoots basically. So rather than using garlic, I'm using chives. This is the consistency you need to whisk the egg, the whole eggs. So they are absolutely frothy. Just pouring on. So when you beat the egg nice and frothy, don't add salt to it. When you add salt to it, it dies down and it becomes very flat. Okay, so do not add salt at the end. Once at the end when you're rolling it out, you can just sprinkle salt on top of it. Swada anusar. Now I'm adding cheese to the omelette. This is nicely chopped cheese. Oh.
What kind of cheese?
We are adding cheddar. So to go with the bread omelette, I'm going to add generous amount of olive oil to sourdough bread. Yeah, you heard it right. We are using sourdough bread, which our dear friend Danish got it for us. Here we are adding a generous amount of olive oil to it, and we are adding some nice, beautiful cherry tomatoes on the grill. Okay.
Oh wow, that color!
This looks, don't you look? Look how beautiful it is. Oh. So now we have the whole English breakfast platter. So I'm going to begin with sauteed vegetables. This is a beautiful yellow bell pepper. Perfect. Baby carrot. Ah, that smokiness. Danish, you would love this. Okay,
you said you would love this, but you don't ever give it to me.
Ah! Then I'm gonna try the aubergines. Melt in the mouth. This is what I call melt in the mouth. Perfectly seasoned, perfectly cooked, soft. Oh! Now I'm gonna try the cheese omelette. Oh, look at that! How airy it is. The goodness of mushroom, the cheese, baby spinach, and not to forget the chives are giving a brilliant aroma to it, taste and flavors. Superb. Not to forget my most favorite,
No such thing as too much garlic.
ah, believe me, I'm not exaggerating. If you ever get a chance to have a fresh garlic pod from the farm, do not miss to have this. Do not.
But something seems to be missing in all of this.
I know what you're looking for. Here you go. Ta-da!
Fair enough.
Mango juice. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, happy dining. And I'm gonna have the Mangolicious.
Is that fruity?
This is the freshest of the Nujuvidu Rasalu from a dear friend of mine. So we got this for exclusively for it. Oh.
Okay, what? Frozen?
Ah. Boom. मर गया मैं यहाँ पे. अरे कोई इसको लो.